Introduction to Random Numbers in JavaScript. Generating random numbers is a common task in many applications. In JavaScript, this is achieved through the math.random method. Math.random returns a pseudo-random number in the range 0 to less than 1 with uniform distribution. This range can be scaled to desired range. Understanding the math.random method, math.random does not require any arguments. It generates a random number between 0 inclusive and 1 exclusive. Example, var random number, generating random numbers within a specific range. To generate a number within a specific range, additional math is needed. Example, var random number, math_floor, math_random, top max minus min plus min, generates a random number between min and max. Tips and tricks for using math.random. The range is inclusive of the minimum, but exclusive of the maximum. To make the maximum inclusive, add 1 to the difference between max and min. To generate a floating point number within a certain range, skip the math.floor part. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember that math.random is always less than 1. For a number up to a maximum, adjust your math correctly. Don't forget to add the minimum when generating a number within a range that doesn't start at 0. Use math.floor to round down to the nearest whole number if you want an integer. Conclusion: generating random numbers is straightforward with the math.random method and some basic math principles. Consider your desired range, whether you want integers or floating point numbers, and avoid common pitfalls. With practice, you can easily generate random numbers in JavaScript.